Step into the ready meal game with confidence. You can do that with Cima-Pak. My name is Sonia, and I'm here to show you how you can do that. You might be a personal chef, you might be starting your business, you may have a great meal idea and you want to do some prototyping. On top of that, you may do high production, but you might need touch-ups of your sealing. The CiMicro is a new affordable starter kit at $17.99. We do have sort of small, medium, and large size trays. Small would be good for lean meals or perhaps children's meals, and there's always a selection. Medium, great for fitness or an individual meal. For man-sized meals or perhaps a dinner for two, you can go with the larger size. They're about 9 by 7 inches in dimension. So this gives you an idea of the quantity. These give you an idea of size. For more information on the CPET trays, you can check out our other video specific to the CPET trays for ready meals. About the sealer itself, it's designed to do about 100, 150 meals a day. And we do that because I'm going to show you it's quite operator dependent. It plugs into 110 volts, so easy to plug into your kitchen. Or let's say you're in production and you want to do some touch-up, good backup sealer for that. Or if you want to do some prototyping, also great for that. We turn it on with the switch in the back. The film roll is placed on the back and pulled through the front here. No tools are required for that. You need to use a frame. The frame is to the shape of the tray that you choose. It's simply placed there. Also, no tools. If we're going to seal, we can take a tray. In this case, it's a 2-compartment tray. Place that, pull the film, and this is where it's important. The operator plays a significant role. The temperature of the sealer is set. It's factory set, you don't have to adjust it. What you do have to do is apply the pressure, and you're going to do that by using your fingers on the lower bar and squeezing to apply the pressure. Close it all the way. And now you count 1, 2. That gives you your timing. So the operator controls the time and the pressure for the seal. Your tray is ready. It has been cut at the end here, ready to ship to your customers. If you have different sizes, it's easy to change. We use another frame that can be stored under here. We have 2 sizes on this particular frame. We can take this meal, vegetables, pull the film just to the edge of the tray. Again, pressure, 1, 2, and it's done. Again, sealed all the way around. This machine is very versatile. You can change, as you can see, easily from one tray size to another. That gives you lots of options. The machine is extremely durable. Cima-Pak makes it here in Canada to last a long time. There's no built-in obsolescence on this one. It will last. Again, same process, pressure, 1, 2, and your meal is sealed. If 150 is too little, your production is much higher, let's say 4,000 or 5,000 a day, the C-Motion is another choice. Made by Cima-Pak here in Canada, and it does die cutting and gas flush. It's another system, so if you're ready to jump in the game, there's another option for you. Call a Cima Pro at 1-877-631-2462. Thanks for watching.